you buy a sheet, you get a sheet. That's how it goes. Screws won't come out. This one comes in really good. No problem. This one in here. Yeah. Okay. Takes time. Let's say 100 screws more. So let's continue. We can see inside the beam. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. Huh? Now I need to get the welding helmet so I don't burn my eyes and my face. And in here we don't give medals for... Oh shit, this look good. Okay, so this weld is shit. So now we're gonna do some... Now I'm gonna do some cleaning in here. I'm gonna use the... I'm gonna use the angle. Yeah, let's clean it. And I'm gonna use angle grinder with something similar. We can after cleaning we can do a wire brush clean. Yes, I'm happy. I'm so happy about this. Good morning guys. And now I also need to, now next thing to do is make a hole for, and it's gonna be, so I need to so a little bit tired and yeah. Okay, there's happened a little mistake. That's very nice. Let's do the marks for that also. So let's do the, because I measured that if I sit on the bed, and so it's not too what do you call it? Yeah, well, I think it's good height in here, so you can on the other side you can put more bigger. Is there rust? Fuck, it's everywhere. Safety recommend. Do something about my outfit because I am full of sand. Tähän vaan ihan pikkusen on tullut jotain pintaruostetta. Mä pyyhkäsen sen ja mä vedän epoksiin sitten tähän kattoon ja näihin. Mitä nyt on nää reunat kaikki? Umpeen. Kun ei haittaa olekaan, tästä tulee sen läikikäs. Tää täytyy kuitenkin maalata tää auto jossain vaiheessa. Saa nyt noin, ettei ne leviä noin ruosteet joka helvetin. Okay, so I think it's just stupid to try to wire. I think it's easier to cut all the wires, then take the wires out, and then solder those back together. So I get the multimeter and check it. Oh, the snow is getting in my head. Not good. You see the cable? It's totally loose in here. How this is possible? Look like shit. God. Oh my god. Päästiin vähän sisäänpäin. Nyt täällä on semmonen tämmönen nivaska, mihin tää johtosarja menee kiinni. Pittariston takaa. Sitten vähän paksuinen ja sit se onkin semmonen tollanen tuolla. No ne. Näitä on aina kiva purkaa, kun ei tiedä saako tätä ikinä kasaan. I don't know if I'm just being stupid to take the heater wire harness off. Who cut the lines? Is the question. Where are these going? What the hell? Because I don't know if this is related to the heater itself. Actually, I don't even care. Yeah, like a icicles. Feel it with your fingertips. How the hell I'm gonna tie it? But here is the thing. Open the hood. It's like a grenade. Yeah. Well, the van is full of bombs, so it might be true. So the bolt snapped off. The other one has snapped off as well. I drain my battery. We are closer, but we are closer to get it run. So the fuel running in the system. I can hear the sound when the fuel goes back to the back to tank. Yeah, I can hear the sound. The fuel going. I can feel the sound that the fuel goes back to tank. So we are so we are having a so the fuel line is now melted. My battery is kind of empty. Somehow the alternator won't start spinning. You can hear the sound. The belt is slipping on the alternator wheel. It's have a crack in here, so it's split in half. So we had a little accident last time. So I was having a little rough time in here, trying to burn this whole van. I took the whole dash off. Yeah, it's melted in here. And the other one, the upper one, so it's more worse than this. The smell is very bad because of the melted and burned plastic. So dashboard itself melted as well and burned. Not good. It burned up here also, and the sun visor, what do you call this, burned as well. I flip this over. Melted a little bit in here, but the worst thing is here, you know, they were melted together, so I took those apart so I can replace those one by one, soldered it back together. Here as well, here as well, here, and a big chunk. And yeah, need to inspect all of these, but I think there's only like 20, 25, 30 wires that are bad. I don't know, but let's see. Yeah, it's frozen. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, it's broken. Sorry. Okay, I tried to open the door. It's frozen. So but I think we can go through here. I think. Okay. Okay. What to do next? Yeah. We need to take alcohol. Okay, so next thing to do. Next thing to do is take good measurements. So we meet the outer. What do you call it? So we need to make the frame 35. So we need to 35 point. Come off. Okay, safety. Another solution for this. Ow. Fuck. Satan. Okay, let's continue cleaning with thinner. If we can get this open. But the insulation is about the insulation we are choosing is this is 30 millimeter thick XPS foam on the XPS 30 millimeter. But yeah, short. Like when I bought the we see again in the next one as we do what I don't really know. I don't want to use too much of this stuff because mitä? And yeah, maybe I need a little bit clean up first. I'm not so happy. My hair is a mess. It's full of sand everywhere, and yeah, I'm not super happy about the chassis that I need to make many parts again because it's so rusted. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, and yeah, I think I need to do myself some new parts, and yeah, I think we're gonna try to glue one or few one. I think we're gonna use glue on the wall, and let's see how it bonds how it bonds into the walls. Let's get some stuff that we need to do. The other equipment. Same shit. This need to be in good shape, not like this that you can fit your hand inside the holes in the beams. Now that we are waiting, and we are now that the Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this episode. Let's see you on the next episode when we. Thank you for watching. Let's see you on the face. Thank you for watching, and let's see you on the next episode. It's getting colder and darker. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you. See you.